Hello and welcome to today's Tech Tip. Today we're going to be reviewing an enhancement that we've added to the selecting and deselecting of checkmate features from the programming browser. As you can see in the file I've got here, I've got three surface measurements. I construct a plane from them, and from that constructed plane I've defined datum A. That's on the top of the part. On the side of the part I have a measured line that I've defined as datum B, and on the right side of the part here you can see a surface measurement that I've defined as datum C, and then I created a master coordinate system from A, B, and C. Now, if I want to unselect one of these features for whatever reason, it could be a circle measurement even that isn't in the part yet. So as you already know, if I go to say SP001, the very first surface measurement, which is in the top right hand corner of the part, I can click on the check mark and you can see it turns gray and it gets unchecked in the programming browser, and what this means of course is that this feature is now skipped. So when I output the program, this feature is not going to be run on the part. Now the problem with this is if we look down, this constructed plane relies on SP001, 002, and 003. So if I don't measure SP001, then the CMM is going to give me an error message that it can't construct this plane. Even if there were more points to create it from, it still can't do it because it's missing SP001, which wasn't measured. In the same method, datum A cannot be defined, because if the constructed plane is not created, then the datum A cannot be defined. Now this doesn't affect the line measurement and the datum B. It also does not affect this last surface point, SP006, that's defined as datum C. But this also does affect this master coordinate system, because if we don't have the constructed plane and the datum A defined, then the master coordinate system cannot get created. So I'm going to just click on it and turn the checkbox on, and we've created an enhancement that if I hold the shift key down and uncheck this SP001, anything that relies on it also automatically gets unchecked, which makes perfect sense because you don't want these being executed. Now, having said that, the opposite works too. If I decide to turn it back on, I can go to this surface measurement SP001, hold the shift key down, click on it, and it turns everything back on. So all the child's and parent features that rely on this will be unchecked also, or rechecked if you use the shift key instead of just selecting it. So we'll use the shift key, click on it, and all the parents and children get unselected also. Thanks for watching and have a great day.